Now see some basic commands. First of all, I'm just writing some text here in the begin and end document, that is hello world, and how are you? I'll try to run it. We'll simply display hello world, how are you? Fine. See, if I mention space here, then it will automatically change it. Okay. So one more thing I want to explain here, like if I write some text with missing spaces, but an output file, you see no spaces shown after compilation. See how? See, I have mentioned here a space. Then again I am writing hello world. Then again I am spacing here. Then again I am writing hello world. So when I try to run it, see what happened. So now I have mentioned missing spaces. I have here very missed the space in between this, then in between this. But because LaTeX normalizes the spaces, tabs in input files, that's why this happening. That no extra space is showing here. But if it is in the case of MS Word, then exactly this text is displayed. Okay. So now, next. As you see, I am on the next line. Like after this, I am on next line. And again, I am pressing on. I am right now on a new line. So suppose I am writing computer is an electronic device. Fine. So when we run it, see, when I press enter, after enter another line, then that particular line not comes in another line. But for printing in a next line, you should leave at least 2 lines, or you should use this double backslash or print the text in next line. That means अगर आपको जो space है, like if you want कि one line will come here and after entering this जो भी text है वो मेरा next line में आए, so 2 ways है, या तो double slash आपको mention करना पड़ेगा कि इसके बाद आपको जो भी text चाहिए that will comes in your next line. Otherwise you have to leave 2 lines. 2 lines आप leave करेंगे तभी वो क्या होगा, next line में जाएगा. सिंपली देखो इससे ये नेक्स्ट लाइन में आ रहा है. ठीक है, वैसे तो सिंगल से भी चल जाएगा कि यहाँ पे मुझे गैप मिल ही रहा है 1 and 2. That's why it is coming in next line. Suppose after entering, if I writing something, we write something useful, so I'll just copy and paste it. When I run it, what happens? It is showing in the same line. Why? Because I haven't used that double slash. By the using of double slash, it will go to next line, or you have to enter, you have to leave 2 lines. Okay. So these are some basic commands. Now let us emphasize some words. For that, I have to use a command that is emph, emphasize, and a text. Hello world. Okay. Just run it. So by this way is showing the output in an emphasized way. So this can also be done through with command that is text it. It stands for italic. So again I'm writing here hello world, When I run it, so it will simply again displaying the hello world. For next line, I have to use double black backslash. So it is displaying in different. Okay. So now again, you want to try bold, like this way. I can make my text bold. For that, just use the command backslash text bf boldface, which is used for boldface. Just type the text. See, the text comes. Okay, line. So next, you want to use underline, then use underline, enter. I am writing welcome. Now welcome comes in underline. One more important thing here is that command names are very familiar. Using same words as you want to do, like for italic I am using text it, for bold I am using text bf, that is boldface. For underlining the text I am just simply using a command that is underline. So these are some basic commands. Now let's see some more commands over here. Like if I want to scale my text. In previous lecture, I have told you about the comment part. So I am scale my text. Just making a comment. For scaling, you have to just simply write in the braces, that is TINY. Then some words. Hello world. And you run it. See, very small size comes here of text. So here tiny is used for very small size. Now if you want some large size, then use large and use some text. If you want very small size, then use small, then some text. Okay. These are very simple tags, and for very large you should use huge. Okay, so let me run. What happens? Different options are there: tiny, large, and small, and huge. Okay, so different options are there. So many scaling commands are there. You can see in the help menu. At the end, I will show you how to see it. Different commands from the help menu in LaTeX. Now comes about the reserved words. See, there are some reserved words like reserve. Okay. So reserved words are what? Reserved words are like I am using curly braces. So curly braces will never print. Like see, when I run this, what happened? It is not displaying. Curly braces is not displaying. But if you want to display this curly braces as it is a reserved character, then say reserved character. Okay. Fine. So for this, if you want to display this particular curly braces in this output file, then what you have to use? Simply insert a backslash. See, by a single backslash and a parenthesis starting and closing, when I run it, see what will happen. It is giving me an error. Why? Actually, जब भी कोई कैरेक्टर जो रिजर्व कैरेक्टर है मुझे डिस्प्ले करवाना है और वो सिंगल कैरेक्टर डिस्प्ले कराना है, then we are using the backslash. But here I am giving the double parenthesis, double curly braces. So that's why it is giving error and only one braces is present here, curly braces. So if you want both parentheses, then just use a backslash here also. One backslash is for this first braces and second backslash is for this second braces. So see, now you build and run it. Simply you can see the curly braces is printing. Fine. Another reserved character is like percentage. Percentage we are using for the purpose of comments. So I just want to print percentage. If simply I write this percentage, it will not display anything. But I want to display it, and simply I'll just write a backslash in front of this percentage. Then now see, now percentages appear in this output window. So now let me show you some characters which are available in the help part, which is provided by the LaTeX. So let me show you how can you see that. Just simply go on help, select the LaTeX references. So here are number of list, like for about what you want to see options, or you want help, like about the document, overview, fonts, layouts. So as we are talking about reserved characters, let me search about reserved characters. Here is the option. So see, here it is providing me the reserved characters present in this. Okay. So this way you can use the help menu. There are many options, like you can use the font options, you can use sectioning part, or you want to overview of the files, making how to make paragraph. So making paragraph have different options. There are a lot of options which LaTeX help provides you.